Hello everyone, my name is Ashish and welcome back to my English practice journey. Today is day 69 of my English practice journey and today's video I want to talk about a very important topic, how to think in English. जो आज का टॉपिक है मैं अपना खुद का एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहूँगा कि इंग्लिश में हमें कैसे बात करना है, तो उसके लिए हमें इंग्लिश में सोचना पड़ेगा. सो हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश. When I started learning English, my biggest problem was thinking in my mother tongue first and then translating into English. This process made my speaking very slow. I knew the words, I knew the grammars, but still I was not confident while speaking. I used to pause. I used to pause a lot, and sometimes I forget simple word. That was very frustrating. Slowly I understood one important thing. Fluency starts in the mind, not in the mouth. If you want to speak English fluently, we must first learn how to think in English. At the beginning, thinking in English felt very difficult. My mind always switched into Hindi automatically, but instead of forcing myself, I started with small steps. I began by thinking English words for daily actions. For example, when I woke up, I said in my mind, I am walking off now. When I brushed my teeth, I thought I am brushing my teeth. These were very simple sentences, but they helped a lot. Another thing that helped me was self-talk. I started thinking to talk myself in English whenever I was alone. I described what I was doing, what I was feeling, and what I planned to do next. Sometimes sentences were wrong, sometimes very basic, but I did not stop. I understood that mistakes are part of learning. I also stopped translating every sentences from Hindi to English. Instead, I tried to connect English words directly with my meaning. For example, when I heard the word confidence, I did not think about its Hindi meanings. I just felt the emotion of confidence. This habit slowly trained my brain to think in English naturally. Listening also played a very important role. I listened to English video, simple podcast, and real conversations. I did not try to understand every word. I just focused on the flow and common expressions. Over time, the sentences started coming into my mind automatically. One more thing I learned is this: thinking in English does not mean thinking perfect English. Many learners wait to think perfect sentences before speaking. That is a big mistake. Even a native speaker do not think perfect grammar all the time. The goal is clarity, not of perfection. I also practiced repeating sentences aloud. When I speak aloud, our brain learns faster. Repetitions builds muscles memory. Slowly I noticed that common sentences started coming naturally without thinking too much. Today I am still learning. I am not perfect, but I am much more confident than before. Now English words come to my mind faster, and my fear was speaking has reduced a lot. To everyone who is learning English, I want to say this: be patient with yourself, think simple, practice daily, and never be afraid of mistakes. Thinking in English is a habit, and habits take a time. If you practice a little every day, one day, and you will realize that English feels naturally to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please keep practice, keep improving, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and please subscribe my channel. Take care.